Hey everyone, this is Tyler
and Hudson,
and we're here breaking a box of 15/16 Series 2 for you on this Sunday afternoon. We are excited for the auction tonight of 14/15 artifacts. But for Series 2, which sold out early this morning thanks to Jack, here is the team list. We're going to spin the wheel in just a minute here for the rights to the Edmonton Oilers and any Connor McDavid cards that come out of the box. Any team that you purchased in this break gets you a stock in that team for the 643 stock exchange bonus. At the end of the Stanley Cup playoffs, whoever has the most stocks in each of the 31 NHL teams gets that team for free in a 10-box mega break. So we're going to spin the wheel right now for the Edmonton Oilers. Good luck, everyone. I'll spin it, buddy.
What if it lands on Oilers?
Good question. If it lands on the Oilers... Oh, it landed on the Ottawa Senators. If it lands on the Oilers, we'd have to spin it again.
But what if it kept landing on Oilers?
So Ottawa is Therm. Congratulations, Therm. You get the Oilers in this break.
NJ Devils man just came in.
Alright, so first hit gets a special 643 collector card. The last card out of the last pack. What do they get?
We'll get a spot in an Upper Deck Black Premium bonus box. And we only have 3 more left.
Alright, so that box will probably fill up tonight, and we're going to break it live for you probably tomorrow night. Good luck, everyone.
So the first hit... Can I have this?
Yeah, you can pick. I'll just wait till we get it first. Hudson's going to pick the collector card today. Let's see who the first hit is. First hit is for the Florida Panthers, Connor Brickley.
NJ Devils man.
Congratulations to Dwayne. And we got a 2-hit pack. Haven't seen that before in Series 2. So we also got a hit for the Dallas Stars and Justin A.
So both of them get one?
No, the first hit is Florida. So Hudson picks the card. Oh, he's picked it out of the box. So this is a brand new card that I just worked on yesterday. These are 643 Hockey Pool break-used pool players. So these are actually from the last 2 years of the hockey pool. The player cards that you see that I pull out of the bin, these are from that. We got Crosby and a Pittsburgh Wild card. So those will be going to the Florida Panthers and NJ Devils man. So congratulations. I also forgot to mention that anyone who got 3 teams or more in this box gets an extra stock to allocate to the team of their choice. So all 4 kinds, Bummer Boy, Flyer Honey, Justin, Lunchy, NJ Devilsman, and Therm. You all get an extra stock. Got another hit here for Florida, Logan Shaw.
NJ Devilsman.
And Jack got 3 extra stocks courtesy of the Buy It Now listings. Next hit, Hudson, is for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Marquee rookie of Daniel Sprong.
And that is going to Bummer Boy.
Bummer Boy. Congratulations, Jack. Next up, we've got a Brett Pesce Young Guns for the Carolina Hurricanes.
Dun, 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 Lunchy.
Who was that?
Lunchy.
Lunchy. Congratulations.
Dun, 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 Lunchy.
Next up, we got a Hunter Shinquark for the Vancouver Canucks.
Lunchy.
Lunchy, congratulations.
What if Lunchy gets another hit?
Hudson's calling 3 hits in a row for Lunchy. Nope, it is another hit for the Florida Panthers.
NJ Devilsman.
Rookie Sam Britton. Rookie portraits for NJ Devilsman. I'll let Hudson call the next hit.
Somebody for the Blues, Joel Edmondson. St. Louis Blues, and it's going to Therm.
Therm, congratulations, buddy. Next up, ooh,
a Jets, Nikolai
Patan, rookie for the Jets. Who's that going to?
All for kinds. All for kinds.
Now we got a hit for the Montreal Canadiens, Mike McCarron.
My next Matt.
Congratulations, Matty. Next up, we got a canvas for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Gino Malkin. Going to Jack. Another Pittsburgh hit, 2 in a row. Phil Kessel. Rookie for the Buffalo Sabres, Linus Ullmark. Jack with 3 hits in a row. Next up, we got a jersey card, rookie materials of Jared McCann for the Vancouver Canucks.
Lunchy.
Congratulations, Lunchy. Gets the jersey card. Hudson really likes the Lunchy name. Got another hit, Troy Brouwer for the St. Louis Blues. Going to Therm. 2 retro hits for the Blues. Actually, when my wife came in to my box break office the other day, she was looking at all the cards that were laid out for shipping and all the names, and Lunchy was one that stood out to her as well. So she really likes that name as well. Good one. Ooh, here's a nice hit. Program of Excellence Canvas. This is for Team Canada, but courtesy of the St. Louis Blues, Robbie Fabry.
So third.
A rookie Program of Excellence card. That is very nice. I pulled a Connor McDavid like that a few months ago. Next up, Noah Hannafin for the Carolina Hurricanes.
Lunchy.
Going to Lunchy once again. Got about 8 packs to go here. Rookie Colin Miller for the Boston Bruins. Going to Jack. Next up, we got Steve Mason for the Philadelphia Flyers.
Lunchy.
Mason now with the Jets, although he's injured once again.
Wait, Mason's with the Jets?
Yeah, Steve Mason, you know him. He's the backup goalie. Dylan DeMelo for Flyer Honey. Congratulations, Andrew.
I said it before you could even say it.
Next up, wow, look at this. We got a black Daniel Sprong rookie for the Pittsburgh Penguins. That is card number 20 out of 100. Pretty cool. Okay. Kind of a cool hit there. Next up, we got a Young Guns for the Oilers. Kyra.
NJ Devils Man.
Going to Dwayne, NJ Devils Man.
I like Dwayne.
So not the Oilers Young Guns that we were hoping for, but still a good one nonetheless. Actually, that's going to Therm, buddy.
Oh.
That's for the Oilers and Therm. He had the Oilers on the wheel.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
We got a Nick Ritchie rookie portrait for the Anaheim Ducks. We got a Mike Condon rookie for the Montreal Canadiens. Nope. Montreal.
Oh yeah,
Lennox Matt. Got to sharpen up, buddy. Next up, last, we got a Sam Britton for the Florida Panthers Young Guns. Dwayne got the first hit. He also got the last hit. Congratulations. Thanks for participating in the break. The last hit gets an extra... the last card standing. Shoot, I didn't even see. Was a Montreal. I'll have to double check on the video. I think this was the last pack, but I will double check that. I'll send it out in the video. And that will be going to spot number 28. So that'll be Series 2. I'll confirm on the video, guys. Thanks for participating in the break. Check out the auction tonight. Have a good night.